Formula mass. See, formula mass is very similar to the term molecular mass, but the formula mass is mainly used for, ionic solids, or the solids which doesn't have a discrete molecule like we have a methane or a water, etc. So, like if the substance molecules are discrete like these molecules, we can simply call them, since they are discrete, separated, we call them molecular mass. Their masses as molecular masses. But what happens in case of ionic solids? Like I can give you the example of NaCl or KCl or sodium sulfate, etc. In these solids actually are the combinations of the cations and the anions, which forms large structures. We cannot have an isolated molecule of NaCl and we can say, okay, fine, this is one NaCl. That's not possible. So what we do is, even if we say that this is NaCl, we are actually not saying the whole amount of the NaCl. We are concentrating on one formula. We concentrate on the one formula of that substance, and that is why the mass of the simplest one formula of that substance is called formula mass. I'm repeating again. The mass of the simplest one formula of that substance is called its formula mass. That is why for NaCl it is taken as 58.5 U. For like KCl, it will be taken as 39 plus 35.5 U, which will be actually your 74.5 U. So this is how formula mass comes out into existence, which is mainly used for ionic solids or the solids which are not having discreted molecules. That is why their one simplest formula of that, but their molecules is given a mass which is called one formula mass.